ngisho mfathini sesibone shawa uPatrice Motsepe uyabuza labantu abantu baseNingizimu Afrika badidiswa yini ngalento yemingcele cause imingcele is artificial izinto nje ezakhiwe ezihlukanisa imindeni but deep down sisonke bafethu siyinto eyi-one bafethu uthi moya eRwanda uzothola inyoni ebizwa ngokuthi inyoni that will tell you ukuthi okay we are one people actually but anyway sontethere ividiyo nizwele ukuthi nje uPatrice Motsepe uthi siyi-one ningadidiswa izinto eziningi madoda and even inkosi yenu yaseSwatini kahle kahle nje bafethu siyi-one i-Africa iyi-one ningadidiswa izinto eziningi according to uPatrice Motsepe. So with all that being said shuthi lento yamamashi okay it's not but even though lawe ngakhulume specifically ngamamashi but nayo I think yalinka nalapha nalapho uthi even though sinezikhalazo shuthi ngokwa Patrice Motsepe but the finest understanding ukuthi okay singane sandawonye.
King Swati history, Philip. We are all one people. These borders are artificial. We are all one people. Siyabatshela laba amaswati ahlala lapha eSouth Africa. Ingwenyama yabo ihlala ngale. King Swati is the king of all of us. Do you understand that, Bomba? There's no king. I know that some people in Soweto think they're kings because there's no Swazi king in Soweto, so I'm the Swazi king. No. The border is artificial. The king of the Sothos is in Lesotho. We are all one people. The border, Philip, between our two countries divides families across the line. The DRC, I was in Rwanda 2 weeks ago. There's a restaurant called Inyoni. Inyoni. In Rwanda. What does Inyoni mean? It means the same thing in South Africa as it means in Rwanda. Bird. Ask them, go to Katanga, ask them to tell you the languages, the names of things. Those are the same names we have in South Africa.